Well, it is August 22nd, and, well, I figured that since Marna wasn't going to buy these, that since I'd already ripped the Band-Aid off and got them out of the big tote that they were in and counted them and did the video and stuff, that all of those, they're going to the thrift store this weekend. And my husband's going tomorrow, and I'll make sure he donates them. Here's some. It's kind of like an Oxford cloth. It's pink with a blue pinstripe. This is a brushed summer weight, but it's a bottom weight twill, and it's a brush. It's absolutely fabulous. Here is a darker gray corduroy. I may make my big Amaya a pair of pants before I send it off. There's at least a yard, 2 yards possibly here. The well may not be wide enough. That's probably why I haven't used it yet. So I'm just going to let it go. Let's see. This is a... What is it? This is, it says, Super 120 Luxurious English Silky Wool. So this is 100% wool. Whoops. Sorry about that. I just knocked over my strip cutter. But that's 2 yards of that. Here it is in a... Wait, this is 100% linen right here. Irish linen, Donegal. I guess that Donegal, Donegal. Linen, Ireland. It was for a suit. I think I've cut off a piece of this to save. Here is a royal blue piece of the same stuff. I have no idea how much this stuff is worth now. Oh my goodness. Right there. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. Let's see. Here is a super fine Calvary Italia. This is wool, 100% wool right here. Here is another one, the exact same, except this one, where the other one was, it was kind of like a purple here, and then the other side was kind of shiny. This one on one side is this green, and on the other side is kind of a yellow, a gold with a green back. Is absolutely stunning. I might keep enough to make a Maya something, or not a Maya, Elwyn, I don't know. And look at this. I bought this to make a jacket. Oh well. And here's one I had as a suiting. It's going bye-bye as well. This is the last of it. I did have a skirt out of this at one time, and I used to wear it with a purple sweater, but in a black blazer. But that's another one, and that is going to be the donation bin from the craft room hoard clean out for this week. See you next week.